Looking to elevate your business with innovative and efficient kitchen equipment? Wondering which of these Alibaba offerings suits your needs best? Number 8. Donut Making Equipment High Volume Production. Large bakeries, food processing facilities. Coming from Henan, China, this innovative donut cooking machine is designed for commercial catering and snack food factories. Weighing just 28 kilograms and boasting dimensions of 1030-400-650 mm, it's compact yet powerful with a 3-kilowatt engine. Crafted from durable 304 stainless steel, it guarantees high productivity and donut perfection is available in various shapes. With a 1-year warranty on core components, it's a reliable choice for your business. Number 7. Commercial Electric Egg Bubble Waffle Ball Stick Maker. Takoyaki Skewer. Waffle stick machine with 110V or 220V. Weighing just 11 kilograms, it's lightweight yet powerful with 1,800 W. The non-stick cooking surface is a crucial selling point, and with a temperature range of 0-250 and a timer from 0-10 minutes, you've got control. Plus, it comes with a 1-year warranty. The packaging is top-notch, ensuring your waffle maker arrives in perfect condition. With Sophie's FCTHL6 model, make delicious stick waffles hassle-free. Number 6. Commercial Ice Slush. Machine for sale, commercial fruit. Slush machine for coffee bar. This sleek model weighs 55 kilograms and is packed with a 600 W power motor and compressor to keep things cool. Its stainless steel body is durable and easy to clean, and the 304 SSPC tank holds 12 L in each tank for your favorite beverages. The speedy cooling feature and electronic auto control powered by an Italian Aspera compressor ensure a refreshing experience. Easy on maintenance, we provide a 1-year warranty and outstanding after-sales service with engineers available for support. Number 5. Commercial Use Ice Cream Cone. Waffle Maker Machine Sugar Egg Roll. Cone Baking Machine. This heart-shaped commercial cone baker is easy to operate and has a 1-year warranty for peace of mind. Made with durable stainless steel, it's a new addition to your commercial kitchen equipment. Weighing just 12 kg, this non-stick coating cooking marvel runs on 220V with a power of 1,360 W. It includes user-friendly features and is packed securely with molding foam for safe delivery. Sophie's got you covered whether you're making ice cream cones or other delights. Number 4. Vertical Broiler. Automatic 2-burners machine with 10-side kebab skewers donor. Kebab Shawarma Gas Burner Grill. This automatic shawarma maker is a sustainable solution for your kitchen, straight from Henan, China. With a 1-year warranty and provided machinery test report, you can trust its performance. Built with durable stainless steel and weighing 25 kilos, it's designed to last. Producing up to 50 kilos/H, it's efficient and reliable. Plus, it's certified with CE and ISO standards. Operating on both 220V and 110V, it's versatile. Packaged securely, it's ready to revolutionize your shawarma game. Number 3. Automatic Chocolate Machinery. Small chocolate melting machine for sale. Chocolate dispenser, straight from Sichuan, China. This multifunctional marvel is not just new in 2020, but also comes with a 1-year warranty for its core components, like the motor, pressure vessel, and pump. Weighing 35 kilograms, it's a versatile addition to snack food and beverage factories. Its compact design, measuring 390,460,830 mm, fits any space. Operating on 220V or customized voltage, this chocolate tempering machine boasts 1 kilowatt power for efficient performance. Perfect for melting and tempering chocolate, it's also equipped with a chocolate dispenser and holds a capacity of 5L. With a provided machinery test report and video outgoing inspection, you can trust its quality. Number 2. Malaysia Philippines High-Efficiency Cookie Pizza Bread Cutter Ball Making Roller and Automatic Dough Divider Rounder Machine. This high-productivity marvel hails from Henan, China, promising 60 pieces per minute. With a robust motor at its core and a 1-year warranty, it's a reliable addition to your kitchen. Weighing 135 kg, it's a versatile solution for various industries. Operable on 220V with 1.5 kilowatts power, the AB dough forming machine handles dough weights from 5180 G effortlessly. Number 1. Prosky European Standard Batch Freezer. Frozen Ice Cream Ball. Making Machine Gelato. hard ice cream maker. This high-productivity gem, crafted in Jiangsu, China, is designed for snack food factories, commercial catering, frozen food factories, and dairy product factories. Weighing 132 kg, it comes with a 1-year warranty and a remarkable 3-year warranty on its core component, the compressor. It operates at 110 V with 1400 W power. The machinery test report and video outgoing inspection ensure quality. This machine produces delectable gelato ice cream with a 5L capacity and boasts an hourly production of 820L. With a French Tecumseh compressor and CE certification, it's a reliable addition to your kitchen. So, that's all for today's video. If you like this video, click the like and the bell buttons. We'll have another video for you soon. Take care until then.